Bitcoin Ethereum technical analysis. BTC drops below $24,000 to lowest level. Our world is moving towards a new generation. The market is volatile. It doesn't seem to occur similarly. And the new term gained is a huge success within a very small period of time. Today, we're going to see a brief introduction of all these things. Hello friends, welcome back to CryptoTrends. Today, we are going to discuss a really interesting topic, and it's going to be helpful as well. What is the present graph of Bitcoin and Ethereum? Which is the better option for these two cryptos? Deciding these things are really difficult, but don't worry people, today we'll cover everything. Without wasting any more time, let us start with our video. And make sure you please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so, and click that bell icon to get the notification of all of our latest videos on the channel. As the trading week got underway, Bitcoin reached its lowest level since December 2020, continuing the downward trend seen throughout the cryptocurrency markets. ETH, the price plummeted significantly on Monday, falling by more than 16% and reaching a new low of less than $1,200 as a result of the decline. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not a simple thing. We first need to understand what Bitcoin really is. First, we'll go with a brief introduction of what's the present condition of the coin. Bitcoin, or BTC, is a kind of decentralized digital money that enables users to send and receive payments via the use of a peer-to-peer network. Transactions in Bitcoin are checked using cryptography by nodes in the network, and the results are recorded in a public distributed ledger known as a blockchain. The digital currency was first introduced in 2008 by an individual or a group of unknown origins who went by the moniker Satoshi Nakamoto. In 2009, when its implementation was first made available as open-source software, the currency was first put into use. Mining is the procedure that generates the opportunity to win Bitcoins as a reward. They are fungible and may be traded in for a variety of other currencies, goods, and services. The use of Bitcoin in unlawful activities, the vast amount of power and thus carbon impact consumed by mining, price volatility, and thefts from exchanges are some of the criticisms that have been levied against it. At different points in time, there have been investors and economists who have referred to it as a speculative bubble. At least 8 of the people who have won the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences have referred to the cryptocurrency Bitcoin as an economic bubble. Concerns about Bitcoin being a Ponzi scheme have been expressed by a variety of parties, including journalists, economists, investors, and the Estonian Central Bank. A white paper that was released on October 31, 2008 provided the definition of the term Bitcoin. The terms bit and coin have been combined to form the word. There is no consistent capitalization standard for Bitcoin. Some sources use Bitcoin with a capital B to refer to the technology and network, while others use Bitcoin with a lowercase b to refer to the unit of account. All instances of Bitcoin should be written in lowercase letters, according to the Wall Street Journal, Chronicle of Higher Education, and the Oxford English Dictionary. El Salvador and the Central African Republic have accepted Bitcoin as a kind of legal cash, while Ukraine is taking Bitcoin contributions to aid the fight against the Russian invasion. Some municipal and national governments are officially utilizing Bitcoin in some capacity. The cryptocurrency market started the week on a downward trend, which resulted in Bitcoin reaching its lowest price point since December 2020. After an unexpected jump in U.S. inflation, investors dumped their holdings in the markets over the weekend, and the price drops continued into the first trading week of the new week. During today's trading session, the Bitcoin to US dollar exchange rate reached an intraday low of $23,607.69, which is its lowest point in almost 16 months. In aggregate, prices have been going down for 7 trading sessions in a row, resulting in a loss of more than 24% during that period of time. The most recent decline occurred when Bitcoin broke over its long-term support point, which was located at $25,200. Some analysts anticipate that prices may drop as low as $19,000. The 14-day Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is now at 27, but it seems as if it may be headed toward a low of 24.50 in the near future. Ethereum. Before getting into the present condition of the cryptocurrency, let us first try to understand what this currency really is, and the concept of this coin is different from other options. Ethereum is a distributed, open-source blockchain that supports smart contracts and decentralized governance. The platform's native cryptocurrency is Ether, abbreviated as ETH or the symbol. When it comes to the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies, Ether is second behind only Bitcoin. In 2013, computer programmer Vitalik Buterin was the one who first conceived the concept that would become Ethereum. Joseph Lubin, Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, and Anthony DeLorio weren't the only people that contributed to the creation of Ethereum. There were a number of additional founders as well. After receiving financing via crowdsourcing in 2014, the network was finally brought online on July 30th, 2015, after having been under construction since that year. The Ethereum network allows for the development of decentralized applications that are permanent and irreversible at the user's discretion, and users can interact with these applications. Applications that make use of decentralized finance, also known as DeFi for short, make it possible for users of cryptocurrencies to borrow against their holdings or lend them out for interest, amongst other financial services, without the need for traditional financial intermediaries such as brokerages, exchanges, or banks. DeFi is an abbreviation of the phrase decentralized finance. The programs that make up DeFi provide a diverse assortment of financial services. NFTs are a one-of-a-kind token that indicate ownership of an associated item or privilege and are recognized by a number of organizations. Users of Ethereum are also able to manufacture and exchange NFTs. In addition, a large number of other cryptocurrencies employ the ERC20 token standard, which is constructed on top of the Ethereum blockchain. These other cryptocurrencies have also used the platform for their initial coin offerings. The transaction throughput of the network must be increased to tens of thousands of transactions per second from its current rate of around 15 transactions per second in order for the upgrade to be considered successful. The workload is going to be divided among numerous blockchains that operate in parallel, a technique known as sharding, and then all of those blockchains are going to share a proof-of-stake consensus blockchain. This is going to be done in order to speed up the process. This is going to be done such in order to deliberately tamper with any one chain, and it will be first required to be intentionally tampered with the common consensus, which will cost the attacker a great lot more than they could ever expect to earn from an attack. This is something that's going to be done. The switch to proof of stake is one of the goals in a series of improvements referred to collectively as Ethereum 2.0, which also seeks to boost transaction throughput by utilizing sharding. On Monday, there was also a lot of bleeding in the Ethereum market as prices dropped below $1,200 for the first time in almost a year. The price of Ethereum reached its lowest level since January 2021 because of the loss that occurred on Monday, which also comes after 7 straight daily decreases. As a direct consequence of this, prices have decreased by more than 35% over the course of the last 7 days, and the RSI has posted its lowest value in well over 2 years. Considering the extent at which the price strength has been oversold, the expectation is that prices will rebound, yet some bears seem to have their sights set on the $1,100 threshold. In general, the most recent sell-off comes after many days of stabilization, which came to an end on Friday with the publication of data showing that inflation in the United States came in at 8.6%. So, here we are done with our video. Please let us know in the comment box which cryptocurrency is better than the other. And if you liked our video, please leave us a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to watch all of our latest videos. Thanks for watching!